So this new idea I want to explain to you. I'm essentially only trading the volatile moments on the 5-minute markets. So the 5-minute markets are extremely dangerous. So I do warn you, if you are going to trade these, it's an easy way to lose money if you are trading them by hand. And if you don't have a great idea that a bot can trade, it's also another easy way to lose money because it turns over so often. Now, the actual leverage here is really like 5,000, 10,000x. If you go ahead and compare it to a regular market, you can see this bot is running. And let me go ahead and explain it to you. I use Claude Code in order to build it. And essentially what it does is it looks for the most volatile times. Yesterday, I tested a bot to only trade the unvolatile times, and it didn't do too well. It needs to win a lot of the percentage. So I went ahead and flipped it. Sometimes that works. If your strategy doesn't work, what about if you did the opposite of it? So we'll see about that. I'm going to let this run all day. But while this runs, I'm going to start working on this new idea. Now, I share everything because I believe AI is a great equalizer. I believe if you learn how to use AI, then you can build anything for the rest of your life. Now, I apply AI to building trading bots. You can see I have this news scanner up here. I see the fear and greed. Everybody's quitting crypto right now. I can see everybody or all of the trending tokens here. Anyways, let's go ahead and build out this idea with Claude real quick. And then what I want to do is I want to get you the full code to this new 5-minute market bot. Now, it's only 2 for 2, so it needs to keep running a long time. Nothing is plug and play, but at least I'll have the infrastructure given to you so you can build for the 5-minute markets. And be warned, the 5-minute markets are dangerous. It's not financial advice. It's not plug and play, make $1 million overnight. Please read this, take it seriously. Nobody's just going to give you $1 million bot. I'm sorry. But I know, since you found me, I know that you found me somehow, so I know that you're a good researcher. And if you're inside of the Zoom call right now, you already have access to the roadmap, and research is the first part of algorithmic trading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build out this idea here, and I'll show you how to take your idea from idea to trading bot. But the first step of algorithmic trading is coming up with ideas, being a good researcher. And you've already proven you're a good researcher because you're here. I didn't run an ad to get you here. You found me somehow. So you're looking for a better way to trade. Here's the roadmap that will show you how to automate your trading. This roadmap is given to you when you come to the Zoom tomorrow, or if you're in the Zoom right now. But the process of algorithmic trading starts with R. The process of automating your trading starts with research of trading strategies. You having a good idea in your mind because you're a trader? Okay, great. Then backtest to see if those ideas actually work in the past. Okay, the idea, if it works in the past, it's much more likely to work in the future. But backtesting isn't just like a magic, hey, okay, this backtest did well, let me go ahead and print a bunch of money. No. It's a filter to get rid of all the trash. There are so many trash ideas, including the idea that most people are probably trading right now. Wake up at 9:30 and do the opening range breakout, yada yada. Go ahead and backtest that. How does it actually work? What symbols does it work on, etc., etc. So make sure that you're at least backtesting to filter out all the bad stuff, and then you incubate. So research, backtest, incubate. That's the framework that I made for myself, because when I got started, I went and learned to code, and I just built a bot. And it lost money because I didn't research good ideas and I didn't backtest to get rid of all the trash. Okay. So now you know the entire process here. I have another idea that while this runs here, you can see there's 46 seconds left on this bot. I'm going to go ahead and build out another bot so you can kind of see me bring something to life here. And then I want to get you the code to the one that I just ran here today. So okay, so I have a new idea here, and I want you to go ahead and call it 5-minute, 15-minute ARB. And essentially, I'll give you a link to one of the 15-minute markets as well. And essentially what I want to do is try to build a bot out that does an arbitrage. So since there's 5-minute markets and there's also 15-minute markets, I think it would be cool if we could get the price. We could bid on the 5-minute market and also the 15-minute market when they're closing. So it would be only when the 15-minute market is closing, right? Because we could theoretically take one side on the 5-minute market, let's say up, and then take the other side on the 15-minute market, let's say down, where we can lock in a no risk profit. So go ahead and build this out where it's a 5-minute, 15-minute ARB. And then, yeah, just cook this up for me. And then I'll go ahead and test it. Here is a link to one of the 15-minute markets, because I know you already have the knowledge of how to find the next market when it comes to 5-minute markets, but I don't know if you know the pattern yet for a 15-minute market. So here's an example. Okay, I think this is a pretty cool idea I've been kind of meditating on, and it's a way to lock in an ARB. So I know that a lot of people like arbitrage. Of course, arbitrage is where it's just free money pretty much if you can figure it out. It's hard. It's hard, but let's go ahead and see if we can find the 15 minutes. Okay, 15-minute BTC, beautiful. And then if this works, I can apply it to all the other symbols as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and have her cook this up. And in that meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and give you this code. Now, if you're already in the Zoom call, you have the base layer to this code that I showed you below, and you already know what the idea is. So you have the base layer, and that's really the best I can give you. Nobody's gonna give you a plug and play, make $1 million overnight bot. And you know, I'm obviously just incubating these. I'm testing these to see if they work. This is a very hard game. But if you scroll down to code from videos, you can see I have a bunch of 5-minute market bots here. Polymarket 5-minute bot. You can throw that into your AI and build whatever your heart desires. And then I also have this version 1. Now I'm on version 3 of the Polymarket 95-cent bid sniper. So this first one up here is just like being able to trade on the 5-minute markets with your ideas. Throw that into your AI. Don't just copy paste it. You can copy paste it, throw it into your AI, and then build your own idea on top of it. But then this is almost the inverse. This is just trying to take 5% on each market. Now, what I'm building up here is more of an arbitrage between the 15-minute and the 5-minute. So what I want to do now is, this is still running and you'll be able to see it for the rest of the time. But I want to go ahead and scroll through the code here. So even if you're too broke to afford the $5 to come to the Zoom tomorrow, where you get this roadmap, well, you still get all of the code. And people are always like, where's the code? Where's the code? It's literally right here. I'm going to show you the code. Take a screenshot on your little phone. Hope it's not an Android. If it is, okay, get an iPhone soon. Take a screenshot and then throw it into your AI. I'm going to scroll through this code one time. You'll have to rewind, do whatever you need to do, but you can see my bet size is only $1 because I'm incubating. Remember, process of automating your trading starts with research. Come up with good ideas, read books, read papers, watch videos, try things. Research, then backtest to see if it actually works in the past. Okay, if it works in the past, it might work in the future. Okay, and then incubate, small size. You're only seeing me here on YouTube and Zoom. You're only seeing me do things that I literally put into the roadmap. So I'm scrolling through the code here, so you have all of the code for 100% free. Whether you're watching me, YouTube, X, whatever, dude, all of the code is here. I believe AI is a great equalizer, because at the end of the day, if you learn how to use AI, you'll be able to build anything for the rest of your life. And I've seriously been thinking about this arbitrage for a long time that I'm building in the top right. Claude is building it for me. You can see it doesn't even come down to coding anymore. It's just really coming up with ideas, because you have all of the infrastructure now for free. And now you just have to come up with the ideas. I've got a ton of ideas, and I'm going to keep locking in every single day in these private Zoom calls and showing everybody in the private Zoom my actual ideas. If you're on the outside, it is what it is. You're going to get hit with ads. You're not going to be able to see all the stuff I build. You can see down here, it looks like it's bidding. So let me jump to that real quick. Okay, I'll keep scrolling through the code here in a second. But it looks like it is bidding here. So I want to see if it gets in and takes its third win or not. And if it takes an L, then boo-hoo. Okay, this is the 15-minute. I need to get to the 5-minute. Okay, it is in the position. It needs to stay down. 613419. Oh, God. Oh, God. 14 seconds. Got to stay. Don't go up. 416, 5. Okay, it needs to stay under 512. 61512. We got 7 seconds to lock in our third win here on this new bot. And you're seeing all of the code for this right now. It's not a plug and play. It needs to win a lot. Remember, it's only taking 5%. So it did just take that win there. You'll be able to see here in the right side, it'll be able to claim. But let me go ahead and scroll through the rest of this. It's determining the winner, but I'm pretty positive that I just won that. So compute COA. So this is a cushion divided by ATR. You can see I just won $5, but I put in 475. So it's only taking a 5% win. This is different than most people are going to do. Most people are going to try to guess the direction of the market. I'm just trying to look at the decided markets and take 6%. So you can see I'm logging all of the trades as well. Now, this is very important that you log the trades, because then when you go back to Claude Code or Codex, whatever you're using, you'll be able to go ahead and have her look at the actual trades. And then every day you're just iterating. Remember, the process of automating your trading starts with research, and then you back test to see if it was trash or not. If it's trash, get it out of here. Save your time. And then you incubate. Small size, and you just iterate. So I got the scoreboard here, the timer here, the draw gate. I got some fun, nice stuff here so I can see it in the bottom right of my screen. You can see the book here, up, down, seeing if it's going up, down. You can see the status here, if it filled or not. So if you need to rewind, you can scroll back. You have all of the code just about now. And like I said, you can go get the roadmap by coming to the Zoom tomorrow. It's only $5, but I totally understand that $5 is out of reach for some people in this world. Be very, very careful with these Polymarket 5-minute markets if you cannot afford $5. Be very, very careful, because that's a quick way to drain your wallet. And I'm just trying to be transparent with you. I swore off these 5-minute markets. That's how hard they are. If you ask AI what's the effective leverage of the 5-minute markets, it's like 10,000x. Hyperliquid, you can trade 40x leverage. The effective leverage here is 10,000x plus. Okay, now you've seen all of the code here. You've seen 2 wins. She's still cooking this new idea. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you this new idea, but today